Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here, with some more Disney Pixar cars from the Dinoco 400 wave, the last one. We are going to do Dave Alternators, the 84 Cars 1 Revolting Racer. On the back there are more racers. Let's get him out of the box. And there he is. So Dave Alternators is the 84 Cars 1 Revolting Racer. And he is usually white on the front, and his hood is black. There's some gray on his hood, even some black on the sides and red. In Cars 1, it was the 84, but since in Cars 3 there were two 84s in Cars 1, they decided to make the Revolting Racer number 48 because of Apple, which is 84. So in the Cars 3 version, it's usually red, and the Next Generation version is also red. But this one is basically white with the Revolting logo right here. On the back, it has a black line, 84 Revolting. And that will be it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.